John the Dream Maker, right here at 44 Auto Mart, 998 Frost Avenue, Bardstown, Kentucky. And aren't you glad I'm here? Because I got an orange car right here. It's a beautiful 4-cylinder Dodge Dart 2.0 turbo. This thing's a fast little 4-cylinder, fun to drive, got the sunroof, got the rally package on it. Beautiful car, got the alloy wheels. I'm gonna get our camera guy and our producer. We got Scott Beasley help me out. But right here, interior, you got the automatic transmission. You got your Bluetooth stuff on the steering wheel. I mean, this thing is sharp, sharp, sharp. Widescreen, big screen radio, touch screen radio. Plenty of room in the back seat for the rest of the family. 4-door, gas saver. This thing is drop dead gorgeous. If we go around here, I'm gonna show up these other doors. We got plenty of room both sides here. The seat. We've even got a storage compartment under the front seat. Check this baby out. That's kind of neat. Little place to hide your goodies. So, folks, this thing's great gas. We just got it in. This thing, brand new inventory. I tell you what, super nice, super sleek. Got the design. One you'd be proud to drive. The price on it, I think it was going to be $13,900, but aren't you glad that we got this orange car, and I'm feeling orange you glad to make you glad. We're going to make this one $12,944. Great deal, $12,944. I'm going to get in and back it up and show you how it goes. But this is beautiful. Give us a call. Big John the Dream Maker at 502-331-0171. And I'll make your dreams come true. Here we go. Thanks a lot.